Hey y'all, we're back at it again with another video. This video is going to be a taste test slash review of the Bang energy drink Frost Rose flavor. I know there's been plenty of people that have done it, but guess what? I have not done it. So I am going to try it out and let y'all know what I think of it. My wife is in love with the new birthday cake flavor one, and I'll probably have her do a review on that one. And oh wow, oh wow, that is fruity. Really fruity. It tastes like, I'd say, the rainbow flavored nerds that you get in a big box. That's what it tastes like. So that was my review slash taste test of the Frosted Rose Bang energy drink. Alright. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will talk to y'all later. Alright, peace.